Hello and welcome to Forest Academy. Today I will teach you how to say the date in French. For telling the date, you need to know three parts: the days of the week, the numbers 1 to 31, and the months of the year. I have taught each of these three information in a separated video, so make sure you have already watched them. So let's say I want to say today is Tuesday, September 10th, 2019. So in French, you start with the day of the week. Tuesday is mardi, so I say le mardi, then I add the number 10, and then the month, septembre, and at the end it's the year, 2019. So it's going to be le mardi 10 septembre 2019. So imagine I want to say today is Tuesday, September 10th, 2019. It's going to be aujourd'hui, c'est le mardi 10 septembre 2019. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you and bye.